What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan, and I'm about to do a quick unboxing. It'd be so quick, you like, dang, that was it? So, this is what I received in the mail. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, bum. And let's open it up. So we can see what's popping on here. All right. So what this is a portable intelligent tire inflator. It's 150 psi max. It's wireless pretty much. I got this because one, I have a motorcycle, I have a basketball, I have a like the fitness ball. I have different things that need air. And you don't want to have to keep going around trying to get a pump, trying to go charge it up or plug it in. This right here is portable. So all you gotta do is make sure it stays charged, and it would be able to air up the car, motorcycle, motorcycle, y'all, bicycle, and ball from up to 4 to 16 psi. So this is the reason I got this one. But at the same time, it said it have a cigarette lighter cable, it have an air tube table, had a pressure valve adapter, it have a ball needle adapter, it have a taper nozzle, a Type-C charging cable. So that will all come in this box. So how many did I get? Just one. Got two. Got three. I have 4 of them. The reason I got 4, because if I get something that I feel like that's gonna benefit myself and people that I'm cool with, I'm gonna get them one as well. They don't know they're gonna get it, but I do got one for me, and the other 3 is gonna be a gift. And then once I sample it out, I'm probably gonna, people who got vehicles and stuff, I'm gonna try to give y'all some of these as well, because I know the benefits of this right here. So you won't have to go to the gas station. You can just do it at your house or wherever you at. If something happened on the side of the road, you got the handy dandy with you. But yeah, that's all I'm gonna do for today. But whatever you do stuff at your own pace, own moderation. Make sure you stretch, drink water, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Follow if you want. I will have a link in the description so you can see which one I got. So remember, like I always say, fitness is key. Peace and hair grease. Ooh-wee. Holla.